Marketing strategies from $0 to $15 million without cold calling. Many real estate agents tell me they have two challenges: not enough leads and not enough time. Leads are the lifeblood of any business. And without a constant flow of leads, your business will die. If you can't find time to generate an abundance of leads, your income will be unpredictable. This is the feast and famine cycle many agents experience. Forget cold calling. This is 2018, and most brokerages still teach cold calling as the only way to find clients for your real estate business. Agents hate cold calling and don't do it consistently. That's why many fail and don't build a thriving business. How do you react when a telemarketer calls to sell you Zillow leads? Do you even pick up? Appointments are more important than leads. Most agents claim they are great closers when they are in front of a prospect. So, it's critical to set more appointments. Appointments are a great indicator of the number of transactions you will close. The more appointments you can schedule, the more you will earn. But unfortunately, many agents do not know how to keep their lead pipeline full. And without leads, there are no appointments. Here's how we can help you. Implementing marketing systems. Real estate coach Kurt is a big believer in inbound marketing to attract motivated buyers and sellers. That's what top producing realtors do. If you want to find out how the most successful agents run their marketing, we invite you to join us for the all-new Marketing Masterclass on November 14th at Columbus Realtors. From $0 to $15 million. When Kurt and his wife opened their brokerage in Dublin in 2012, they had no referral clients. They had been selling HUD homes and foreclosures for 5 years during the Great Recession. And none of these buyers were interested in expensive suburban homes. But in just 3 years, Kurt's wife Suzanne grew her sales business to $15 million and 70 transactions. She did not get any referrals from her sphere in the first year. And she did not make any outbound calls to strangers. Would you be interested to learn how she did it? Do you want to find out which systems she used to generate hundreds of inexpensive leads, how she converted these leads to appointments, and how she follows up with previous clients to get high-quality referrals? That's exactly what Kurt will be teaching in the new Marketing Masterclass. Agents earn 2 CE hours, there's no cost to attend, and lunch will be provided. The location is at Columbus Realtors, that's 2700 Airport Drive in Columbus. The date is Wednesday, November 14th, and it starts at 9:30 a.m. Registration starts at 9 a.m., and the presenter is Kurt Novak. Register at www.columbusrealestatecoach.com/marketingce. So call or text Kurt at 614-395-7375 with questions. See you there.